recording right now. Ah!
No way!
Fuck you! Was it live? Don't touch me, don't touch me, don't touch me! I'm burning up person!
Hi. Well, you can see that they're just, you know, I don't know. And then Hannah's jumping on the bed. Oh crap!
Shannon wants to know my personal parts look like.
Ow! I hurt my head! I can't get up.
Come at me!
Like I said, they're big and round. He wanted to know what her parts look like.
Shannon wants to know what my inside parts look like.
Big and round.
No, it's not inside. I meant personal.
Yeah, big and round. Your head, your butt, your foot.
The round, the outward. I just don't have any tits. Like Missy. We should put this on YouTube.
No!
Oh, I wonder who it is. Oh, crap.
Here, I'll let you read my messages.
Den? Yeah.
Done!
This dude?
I put it on you. Oh my god!
Oh, my butt. My hair's not showing, is it?
No, where your butt is.
Oh my god!
You can tell, you know, they're having a little. Hey!
You get hurt, huh?
Yeah.
Why do you want to know what my boobs look like? Oh!
And that was on air.
Oh my god!
Ah! Do you guys want to see what this looks like?
No!
Why? Ah!
Not yet.
I want you to know, no! You moved the table.
The table?
Oh no! Oh my god! Please don't, please. Stop, it hurt.
I'm on your stuff.
Stay down there. My arms are hurting. They're sore. My tits are about to pop out.
You have zits for you?
No! I have tits this big and awfully big tits.
I'll hump sit on you. Oh, that would be worse than me.
You're not gonna sit on my tits?
That's who I am.
No, Hannah, stop! I'm sore already. Please. Hannah! Ow! I hate it. Summer, get off!
Summer, get off of her!
Get off my hand! I feel like I'm moving or something. Summer! Am I being abused?
Partial.
What's this child's lease number?
No, you need a psychiatric
Summer,
number.
stop! She fell! Ha!
Quit texting. Yeah, she loves Gavin now.
She said quit texting Robin.
No, I'm not that stupid. Shaw.
Summer, stop! Summer!
Summer, just stop.
Get the fuck out.
Hannah said it.
No, I did not!
It is. No. Wow. There. Oh my God!
That's all I'm saying.
What are you saying?
No, it's just a question.
And I'm like, well, they're big. Don't say a word, Hope.
Wow.
That teaches you to miss it, did you? I'll peck your hands. Summer! Stop the... Shut up. I know. I just had a nose job.
You had surgery? Oh my God!
Yeah. Tit surgery. I can't get it right.
Hi. Get stuck here. Okay. Get out. I hate you so much. Oh, you take yourself now.
All I say is, this video is going to be interesting when we watch it. So I'm just telling you right now, it's going to be very hilarious. So let's go watch it now.
No.
Never mind. They say stop.
You're on your eyes.
They said
There
stop.
you go.
So.
And say bye.
Bye.
God, people, get alive. Bye.
Say bye.
I said bye. I said God.